Ke step ke kemen bat ke besuk ipi baro kene gede gedo dashin Meghalaya bani pidang sko pai ipi baro syakatuk Khubor menta ke step. Shwa bangin pai si Khubor ki babnya nginya pet shwai ki mat bakongsan. Kren shai ke sarkar jilla baka persya ya ke jingti uranium. Minjer kekinhun menteri bantiet jaka ba shis pa prapunyo klor tingka bantai ya ke karkhana terlihat senrai Hawes Jantia Hills. Minjer ke sarkar ban ai jaka sanpau ekar hamau khanu bantai ya ke Xavier University. Bat keren umudi halor ke AI, hikam penmi boarding bat hikam shalan mar ha ke India Australia CEOs Forum. Mintanginya pai shwa shiki Khubor na keleng ke jela. Menteri rang bak ke jela ukondat ke sangma ula pinti kena biang bak sarkar jela ka yai persya ya ke jing tmuti uranium da ka ba ong bak ne ke jing keren jong u ka phalang ru ya ka nongrim bak sarkar ka persya halor kani ka mat ula ong bak ke jela ka laju keren sha ya ke ne cha ka sarkar pedeng ba cha ki pat ba ke jela da ka ba banjur bak sarkar ka snap ya ka rai upat ba hashwaban shim ya kinu ki rai ka badan kam. Usang mau la ong ba ka jing ni ki Khubor ba ka don ka jing wan jurep ki briu ka Atomic Minerals Directorate chaki jaka badon uranium an sa wa jing tip ka babnya ban sa shimi ki sin jam ki badon kam.
Things and I've been very clear that we are not in favor of uranium mining. We're very clear about that, and we've made it clear to Government of India also. We've made it very clear to the people also. And it's not just about uranium mining. If you look at all the decisions we have taken, especially decisions that impact the people at large, we've been very clear that we will work and do things in line with what is best in the best interest of our people. So that has been the principle with which we follow. We believe in creating consensus. We believe in ensuring that we are sharing everything with people. Regarding movement of people coming in and going out, there is something that is if any knowledge just comes to my office, if you inform me, then obviously we'll take action. I don't have any specific, written tour or anything like that of anybody coming in. I mean, I can check if they did come in or not. But as far as my information goes, I have not been informed about that. But since you have told me right now that there is reports that there were some movements, I will find out, and accordingly we will take steps in that also.
Kekinhon menteri kala minjer bantiet ya ke jaka basau ekar hathat muthlong West Jantia Hills na ke bentaban bu ya ke karkhana terlihat chenrai lakadong ne ke lakadong Turmeric processing plant. Menteri rangba ukonrat ke sangma ula ong ba ya ke ni ke projek kabala mangshi spa prapunyo klor tingka kadai kabala kershan na ketenat donor bat ketenat karep karyang ke sarkar pedeng na ke bentaban nang kintiu ya ke jing penmi bat ban plilat ya ke jing penyat yo ginong rep bat ban kintiu shu ya ke jing paunam ushenrai lakadong ke jela. Shu ula ong ru ba ke sarkar jela kan penlut kumba lai pho hadut lai pusan klor na ke benta kene ke projek.
The second decision was the purchase of 3.9 acres of land at Thadmutlong Laskin block in West Jantia Hills. This is for establishment of an integrated Lakadong turmeric processing plant. But for that process to take forward, land is required to set up this integrated Lakadong turmeric processing plant. This, of course, is in line with the fact that turmeric is a product that is in high demand throughout the world. It's one of the USPs that we have, and we have been promoting this product a lot, and we feel that there's a huge opportunity for the state, especially for the farmers. And in line, as I said, with this entire mission mode that the government of India has decided with the donor ministry, which goes in line, of course, with the Lakadong turmeric mission that we had started 6 years back. This particular land was purchased, or rather decision was made today to purchase it, where the integrated Lakadong turmeric processing plant will be set up. This is the cost is coming up to about 1.7 crores for the 4-acre, 3.972 acres, about 4 acres land.
Kalianyam bet ding klam kabalane la saus ni hajawai minta kesini kan poi cha kela bakat duk jangka da kirukom le nyam tin rai bakijing yai procession kiriti dustur kabalaya lam da kesin rai jawai Menteri Kakot Kakia uba wailat Miki Shela hinin kesini ulai shim minta lang hakale nyam knong belai hapok sawyar hakabala don kajing le nyam kajing duai pirat da udoloi bat kiriu rang ba bankin mau burom ye kilong shwa man shwa bakas iem belai kumshi benta jong kene kajing le nyam kinong bot kanyam tre kilale jngoru ye kiyeng dor ba shnong hagi dong beper ban khmi ye kirot balashna pin itnat ye ki bat sara sha aitnar menta kesni Kekinhun Menteri Kejela kala minjur ye kejing ai jaka ka basan pau ekar hamau khanu na ka bentaban sengya ka campus jang ka Xavier University. Menteri Rangba Konrad K Sangma ula ong bakani karai ka long ka sinjam ka bakongsan ban pin klan ye kejing puli bachelor ha Kejela. Da ka babinrap ba ya kani ka jaka ansa ai ha ka dor ka baduna bha. Ula pin pau ye kejing kermen west camp bakani ka school ba kan kintiu ki lat ki kabu jang ka puli puthi bakan yarap ru ya hakalyang kejing puli technical bakijing puli bachelor bakan sinyang ru shakathong ka bayo I jingai jang ka jela na ka benta ka puli puthi baban kintiu ki samla ka jela.
We have decided, and finally we received a letter from St. Xavier's authorities that they required 100 acres of land from the government to establish St. Xavier's University. And after detailed discussion, we have decided as a cabinet that we will be able to give 50 acres to St. Xavier's in Maukunu at a rate of about 1 lakh rupees per hectare, which is at a very concessional rate. And of course, this is being done because St. Xavier's is a premier institute. And this is an investment that we're making in our youth and in our future generation, because by having institutes like the St. Xavier's University coming in, which is a brand known all over the country and the world, we are very positive that it will have a very huge impact, especially on higher technical education and the different opportunities that it will have for our youth. And this goes in line with our commitment towards education and our vision to take the overall education sector to greater heights, and also to provide better opportunities for our youth of our state and the region as a whole.
Ke Don Bosco Youth Center Light Umkra but ke Don Bosco Media Network but TV hinin kesni kala pinlong ya program bekerpang na kebenta ban kitbok ya ukit kupar nong siet ubade unong job ha kasur kin ut season 3 uban pin kre ban mi khmat ya kari India but ke jela shaka World Championship of Performing Arts aja apun Rio ke ban long ha Las Vegas USA. Ukit Khubor unsami na Shillong hakash Tarik unaitung wat anpin Yakob hayakane karinsan Yakob ka perthei na do ka khatlai tarik hado ka arpuwei tarik unaitung hakaba an sendran lang yau da ukpa kinong yalam balang ki bahayeng hasem kinong Krishan bat kinong Thok Khubor ki ba dan lang hakane ka sngi ban bu jing twai ban kit pog yau na ka benta ba unyo ya ka jing job hakane karinsan ka perthei.
But kalau pelongi ga ban sngomu yo play ula pumi ye ke samla ye ban kasam mo ki bom yo kanu kanu kalat lise la damdan kanika Don Bosco Media Network lise uket kanu yo ye kanika la de ka ba undan na kanika stage ka ba crowd ka ba ni shimenta terma kata sngomu ye ka Don Bosco Media Network ka ba pelongi kaniki jinge shimenta ka ba kum kini Bandra, Bansai, Kisap Kipong Kaba, Ki Kun Samla Joy Didan.
The Kanika competition Kabangan Select Kadika World Championship of Performing Arts. Kaban Salong Las Vegas, United States of America. So ka competition kan stang nado khalai tarik, hado art hoi tarik, ka grand finale kan di art hoi tarik. Kiri te kumbahan rip hoteli kiri kinwanya compete kan. Ka competition do kam desho ka basuk numa kala di international level de kamot nganhaban ya kunting ya kan an ngarang di ibaning kong do bangalit simenta bangami kwana ke India kan hakado ka competition
Kajing ther ulap ba baklem sange kalawan ra e kajing shlei ka bajur ha kasurok jorabat hasilenter kasurok ba Shillong Shagoti kabala pinthut pat ya kayat kayeng bat kalet kawan kumju igi kam khayi ha benta khaput ka Meghalaya Assam gidan ka tu kat ni gi kali gi bala syam shitom banjat lingba kasurok kabala dap ka kat ba ka wei ka kali pat kala sya rong no ha ka ka baklan bor kinong shong snong kila ong ba ka kala runglut chekiyeng bat kidukan kabala wanra e kajing julor ka bakrau bat kilakin no bakani kajing ja ka bakhakha kadai namar kajing bombyang kinala pintut bat kajing lang jung kinala harut surok na kajing brat pathar yakinyut kinyer. Kajing Shakta kipat ma nong shong snong na kajing shlei halua siang district ha Arunachal Pradesh kadang yai beteng haba kat tu kat ni kinong snong kila syak khang linti na kajing syak rong no ki surok bat ki jing kieng na kadaw kajing jur uslap kinong shong snong kila syam jing ban mat ya kajing keduk ka bam ka di ki dawai dashin bat ki wei pat ki jing don kam man ka sngi bat kajing Shakta ki jakarep bat kila jing erap kila nang pintut shushu ya kajing bersang ban ai jing erap iki pat ba ki bor sarkar ki dang pet benya iki jing syak penjulor bat ki dang pet ngor na kebenta ban yo iki lat ban net ai jing erap hendrai namar kajing jur palat uslap klam sange kala pinslam ya kajing tmu ai jing erap kat ba ki nong shong snong bat ki seng trai mon snobha kila kerpat ban ai kajing erap ba kham kloi ban pinpha kham kloi ya ki bala syak penjulor
14 विलेज में हार्डली 2-3 विलेज में नेटवर्क है तो टेलीकम्युनिकेशन का भी बहुत तकलीफ है इसलिए हमारे यहाँ कुछ जितना डैमेज हो रहा है कुछ सब खत्म है तब भी दिखा नहीं पा रहा है ऐसे हाल है हमारा इसीलिए मैं हमारा अरुणाचल के सभी जनता को भी हम अपील करना चाहता हूँ हम लोग आप लोग का मदद भी चाहिए सबका गवर्नमेंट से भी मदद चाहिए हम लोग रोक रहा है आप लोग का मदद भी हमारा नारी को अभी किस स्थिति में जी रहा है कुछ अभी एक बस्ती से बस्ती कनेक्ट भी नहीं कर पा रहा है हम लोग का एरिया में 14 विलेजेस पूरा अफेक्टेड है आपका सड़क से लेके खेती बाड़ी लाइव स्टॉक सब अफेक्टेड हो गया हमारा सीएम और हमारा ऑनरेबल एमपी दोनों को यही रिक्वेस्ट आप जब भी मौसम आए जल्द यहाँ हमारा नारी को स्पेशली आप एक बार फिर विजिट कर दीजिए
Menteri Rambak ke Manipur Uyum Nam Kem Chan Singh hinin kesni ulakin mau burom ya armut kisipai jangka 40th Battalion ke Assam Rifles ibala klat no na ke jingsha Thombor hakiriu king atiar kibam itu ha Ukrul district ha ke hendriu tarik ubnai naitung. Menteri Rangba ula ai burom yakini kisipai kibla len nade na ke bentakeri ba ula pharu ya ke jing snowlam shiki bahayeng hasam jongki. Mintang inya pai sigi Khubor na kileng kari. Ke Indian Meteorological Department kalapinmi ya ke orange alert bakandan ke ginger slap hagi kat tu kat ni ki jela bakintup ya ke Arunachal Pradesh, Assam dan Meghalaya. Kalau kedauru bakandan ke jinghap slap hagi binta jangka Bihar, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, bagi binta ke West Bengal, ke balakmi nanti bakat tu kat ni ki we pat ki jela. Gila banyo yu slap hakileng ki binta. Hakawe kaliang ketenat kalau ongru bakala don ke jinghap slap bamalu mala hanong ba Delhi, ke balawan rapat ya ke jing pengat na ke jing shit. Ke IMD kelapin pauru bakandan ke jing dum loo ke jinghap uslap hakapor minsngi. Mintang inya pai sigi Khubor na keleng ke Perthai. Menteri Rangba Duk Keri Narendra Modi ulapoi ha Australia na kabinta ka baar ka jing net jingok jeng u yakilai teli kiri bola yo ban chimbinta ha ka India Australia CEOs Forum hadian bola dep banyakendu yang Menteri Rangba Duk ke Australia u Anthony Albanese. Haba ai jingkren ha ka CEOs Forum Modi ulakren na kabinta ka jing etrailang ha ka jing shalan mar ka jing pentrai kamling ba ka artificial intelligence ka quantum technology kajing penyesok boarding bagi rukom terekam digital. Ula banjur ru halor kajing say sok kajing day hakaliang kayok ke kot ke India bat ke Australia bat kajing soy kular ha ke khayi pateng bat penpau kajing snow scam bat kajing terwa ya comprehensive economic cooperation agreement kanang penklan ya ke khayi pateng kajing baitingka bat ki rukom penterekam themai hapedeng kini ki artli kiri.
आज इस हॉल में भारत और ऑस्ट्रेलिया की बिजनेस पावर और बिजनेस एम्बिशन के दर्शन एक साथ हो रहे हैं। इन प्रयासों से दोनों देशों की सरकारों ने एक नया रनवे तैयार किया है। अब इस पर इन्वेस्टमेंट और इनोवेशन का विमान उड़ान भरने के लिए तैयार है और आप सभी को इसे नई ऊंचाई पर ले जाना है। फ्रेंड्स, यहां क्लीन एनर्जी से जुड़ी कई कंपनियां उपस्थित हैं। हम भारत में हाइड्रो प्रोजेक्ट्स, ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन, सोलर मॉड्यूल्स और विंड मिल्स के लिए मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इकोसिस्टम तैयार कर रहे हैं। ऑस्ट्रेलिया के टेक्नोलॉजी, कैपिटल और रिसोर्सेज इस ट्रांजिशन को गति दे सकते हैं।
Presiden ke US Donald Trump ula berniam ba ke United States kala pinkre na ka benta ban yatna biang ya ka Iran ba ula pin bena ban khang biang ya ka jingya ki jihad ada ka Tehran kadang yai beteng ban yathma ya ka haba keren hadian ka jingya lang ha ka NATO summit Trump ula kersyanya ke jing lek sipai ke US persya ya ke jing thombor ke Iran da ka bakinno ba ke Tehran kala pinkenya ke jing ete kular sange tma ba sipor bat ong ba unsyanya shu ba syanya shu ya ke jing kren halor ki kampin mi nuclear ke Iran bakan seso.
Okay, good. I think they're much more rational than level 1, level 2. Level 1 is gone, level 2 is gone. This is level 3. I think they are more rational, but based on their actions over the last week or two, they're not doing a service to the people. And I think more than anything else is I got to know them, and I'm not sure I want to make a deal with them. We can play games, but I'm not sure I want to make a deal. I just finished the job. The big thing we have is more important than anything we can talk about is you can't let lunatics have nuclear weapons, and we've stopped that. And that should have been stopped on a couple of other occasions too with different countries, but they didn't do that. They hit a couple of ships, and so we hit them much harder. When they hit, we hit 10 times harder. You know, we hit much harder than they do. We have a lot better equipment than they do.
Mintang inya pa si Khubor ya lek kai. General Secretary ka AIFF Satya Narayanan ulapin bena ba ke India ka Indian Super League aja arpunyo kan zdang da ka jingshim benta ki kat South League kin honya lek kai hapo ka club led model bathmai haba kren ha ka jingelang ba kinong tho Khubor ulo ong ba ki club kin bat ya ka commercial rights ka ba ka All India Football Federation kan bat ya ka board penyai Ula benrap baka league ketemu banyo ya ke jing pene pensa ka bakhamba ha kaliang ka pisa tingka ta ka badon ka kinhun betebit ban penyat ya kikam. Ka Diamond Harbour ka bala kintiu themai ka nyishim benta ka ni ka jing yakun ka bagi club ki dang pen kre na ka benta ka ni ka jing yakun.
We are all set for ISL 26-27. We've been having a lot of talks with the clubs over the last more than a month, and we're working towards organizing the league. Like last year we did it. I'm sure all of you all know that last time, sometime in the month of December, January, there was lots of speculation that the league will not happen. But thanks to the cooperation of the clubs, AFF and the clubs together, we did the league, which was a truncated league, but under the circumstances, that was the best we could do. Fortunately for us, that really ended on a very exciting note, with almost 5 clubs in contention till the end. And this year, yes, we would put out a tender, and the process was on, and now we slightly changed course, and we've agreed on certain things with the clubs. So the clubs, we are giving them the rights, the commercial rights for this league, and as usual, the AFF will hold on to the administrative and all the important aspects of running the league.
Tim tapat nginyepet ya ke jinglong jingman ke sun beneng hakeleng gi benta jong ke jela. Hatura kajing kriat kalong 40 degree Celsius but kajing shit kalong 40 degree Celsius. Kajing skam ka hau menta kesni kalong kandai busan na kasispa. Kajing hap slap kalong kandai 0.1 millimeter. Haba pai pat chanong ba shilong. Kajing kriat kalong kat kandai degree Celsius but kajing shit kalong 40 degree Celsius. Kajing skam ka hau kalong kandai busan na kasispa. Kajing hap slap kalong 0.0 millimeter. Kat bahar jawai pat kajing kriat kalong kat kandai degree Celsius, bat kajing shit kalong 40 degree Celsius. Kajing skam ka hau kalong kandai pun riu na kasispa. Kajing hap slap kalong 0.0 millimeter. Kandan kajing hap slap bat kajing tiat upar that habun ki benta tura shilong bat jawai. Syaban poi kabakut jong katuk Khubor nginya pej biang sa sisian yikimat bakongsan. Grenshai ke Sorkar Jilla baka persyak ya ke jingti uranium. Minjur ke kinhun Menteri Bantiet Jaka Bashi stop propinyau Kulotingka Bante ya ke Karkhana Teliat Chenrai ha West Janja Hills. Minjur ke Sarkar ban Ajaka Sanpau Ikar Hamau Khanu Bante ya ke Xavier University. But Grenu Mudi halor ke AI ki company boarding but ki kam shalan mar ha ke India Australia CEOs Forum. Te par lok katungi lapoi shakabukut jang katuk Khubor jangi menta ke step hadu bangin daya syambiang bat pi la shibet janmit kublay pi barok.